Whitefield Art Collective inaugurated its 8th edition. The 8th edition of Whitefield Art Collective with the theme, Future is Now, was inaugurated on 27 March 2025 at Via Bangalore, Whitefield. Bangalore, 27 March 2025, the Whitefield Art Collective, supported by the Youth Foundation, was inaugurated on 27 March 2025. This year's theme, Future is Now, invites viewers to engage with the art and ideas shaping tomorrow. Miss Alison Burrett, MBE, Director India, British Council inaugurated the month-long festival. The ceremony commenced with the unveiling of the Kalakar, an artistic creation by Kalki Subramaniam, a renowned LGBTQ+ activist, artist, writer, and poet, and a traditional lamp lighting. It was followed by a mesmerizing Veena recital by Maestro Rajesh Vaidya and a classical dance performance by the students of Shrishti Nritya Kala Kutira. The 8th Whitefield Art Collective showcases art installations, sculptures, paintings, film, puppetry, photography, and workshops. Collaborators include global organizations such as the UNESCO, British Council, and the New York-based Arts for the Future Festival, powered by the United Nations Civil Society Conference, alongside esteemed institutions like Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad, Bangalore University, and Bangalore School of Design. The Whitefield Art Collective has evolved into a dynamic platform that brings together artistic voices from across the world. Rooted in Bangaluru's rich cultural landscape, it encourages cross-cultural engagement and artistic innovation. The Whitefield Art Collective has evolved into a dynamic platform that brings together artistic voices from across the world. As the festival enters its 8th edition, it continues to offer artists new avenues while inviting audiences to experience art in transformative ways. Each edition gives me the opportunity to witness the profound impact art can have, not just as an aesthetic experience but as a force that fosters dialogue, inclusivity, and cultural exchange. This edition is about fostering new ideas and ensuring that art remains an integral part of our collective experience, said Sumi Gupta, curator of the Whitefield Art Collective. The 8th edition of Whitefield Art Collective stands as a powerful testament to the transformative impact of art in shaping our future. At the British Council, we believe art and creativity have the power to connect communities, spark dialogue, and drive change. We are delighted to support this vibrant festival, particularly through our annual global initiative, 5 Films for Freedom, in association with BFI Flair, which celebrates global stories in support of LGBTQA+ communities across the world. I'm honored to inaugurate this remarkable festival in Bangalore, where art, films and performances will spark meaningful conversations that inspire a more inclusive, connected...
Good evening, my name is Sumi Gupta. I'm the curator for Whitefield Art Collective. This is our 8th edition in VR Bangalore, so we're very grateful for the partnership with VR, who give us this wonderful space to exhibit our art. Of course, we have more than 100 odd installations, paintings, and this year the festival is more layered as we are trying to make it every year. We have the 5 Films for Freedom. We have the films going on. We have that's a collaboration with the British Council. We have the UNESCO's Braided River, which is encouraging women to be in the field of STEM through photography. We have the MOD Foundation, Chennai Photo Biennale. We have some amazing collaborations. And of course, the very important collaborations of the institutes from Bangalore, like the Chitrakala Parishad, the Bangalore School of Design, whose students have created the most incredible installations and art. And I wish many people from Bangalore would come. I hope you all will amplify this message so that more and more people would come to VR Bangalore. This show is on for a whole month. It's got multiple workshops, films, panel discussions. Another highlight, I would say, of the show is the car that is painted by Kalki Subramaniam, which is an incredible piece of design. but also not just design. I think it's got a very powerful message of inclusivity and identity, and that is the future. And the theme of the festival is the future is now. So it's lovely to see different interpretations of the future by students and senior artists, some of whom are exhibiting, like Geeta Hudson, and there's also a very interesting Korean artist that is behind me now. I'm ever so grateful to Alison, who has made the trip to Bangalore, one, to collaborate with us, and two, to come down to help us open the show. And I hope you all really enjoy it.
Collections are going to be for sale as well?
No, so this is a not-for-profit initiative. This is supported by the chairman of Virtuous Retail, which is Siddharth Yog, who is also the chief patron of the Huge Foundation. We have been doing these public art festivals for the last more than a decade, and this is our 26th festival. It's a pan-India offering. They are unique festivals in 6 cities. We have them every year. Each festival is totally different, rooted in the culture of that particular city, collaborating with institutions from that city. So these are really unique, student-centric art festivals. They are not for profit. All we want to do is, give students a great platform and a lot of exposure to audience, to other artists, so that there's dialogue, there's exchange of ideas, and that we hope will greatly benefit the students.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name's Alison Barrett. I'm the country director of the British Council here in India. I'm based in Delhi, but I've come here to Bangalore to see this amazing festival and art exhibition that VR have put on. The British Council, we are here to support young people, to enable them to develop their skills, to access new opportunities, but also to communicate what they are experiencing so we can all understand them through the work that they produce. We're also here, I'm very proud to be presenting the British Council's 5 Films for Freedom. This is a series of 5 short films made by LGBTQI filmmakers from around the world. Every year we show these films for 10 days free of cost around the world, enabling us to really understand the lived experiences of queer filmmakers and queer artists and queer people around the world, so we can engage with them, support them, be their allies, and ensure that they also have the same opportunities that we are afforded in our lives. So really, really delighted to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you.